Good afternoon. We are on the roof for claim 1188R589C. It is September 22nd, approximately 86 degrees outside. I've been contracted by this insurer to perform some repairs. I have a wind damaged shingle right here that we'll be documenting the removal and replacement of. In order to remove the damaged shingle, I need to manipulate the 2 rows above it to get the nails out. Tools we'll be using are the roof snake and a standard roofer's hatchet. I will document any issues that arise, such as creasing, fracturing, hinging, mat transference, things of that nature as we go along, and the video will also be accompanied by photos at the end. Let's get started. Down the shingle. I'll be using the tail end of my hatchet to lift the above shingle up just high enough to get the nail out. I'm noticing some granules fall off gently as I get these first row of nails out. Roof does appear fairly old, somewhere between 15 to 20 years most likely. First row of nails are out, moving to the second. We got a straggler. Yep, alright, stuck. Damaged shingle has been removed. We'll be replacing it with another standard 3-tab. You can find these at any roofing supply store or big box. Alright, length and exposure are good. As I'm hitting these nails, more granules are falling off that I can see. Looks like we have some creasing beginning to show. One more. First row of nails are in, moving to the second. A lot of granule loss. I'm seeing some creases actually form now from that early manipulation. Show you momentarily. One more. Repair has been complete. Let me show you what we're working with here. As you can hopefully see in the video, we have some creasing and hinging that occurred on the top 2 rows during the removal process. This unfortunately would be deemed a fail attempt at our repair. We have damaged this shingle here, and as well as the above one So in an effort to fix one wind damaged shingle, we have unfortunately damaged not one but 3 adjacent shingles. This would have a ripple effect going up the roof. We would strongly and kindly consider you to reconsider the repairability aspect of this claim so that we can bring her back to pre-loss conditions. Again, this video will be accompanied by some close-up photos of this damage here. Thank you for watching and have a good day.